Owning an action camera like a GoPro is awesome, but sometimes you have to pay attention to the odds. This is where we think Akaso pulls the attention towards it, because Akaso has come a long way by improving both hardware and software. Each action camera is a bit better than the last, with a competitive price point. Today, we got their latest action camera, the Akaso Brave 8, and we're going to test it, compare it, and share our thoughts on it. Let's see what we have got inside the box. We love the idea of providing tons of accessories along with the Brave 8 action camera. So we got a remote controller, charger, 2 batteries, and 3 different mounts, and a camera frame. There are also some other things that are pretty unnecessary, including a strap, USB cable, lens cloth, zip tie, adhesive pad, and quick start guide. Design-wise, the Akaso Brave 8 looks almost similar to the GoPro Hero 11 from every possible angle, and there's no doubt about it. The only thing missing here is that you will not have any built-in mount finger with it. Instead, you will get it in the camera frame. Anyway, it has a robust chassis and good-looking design, as it is a copy of the DJI Osmo Action 3. Also, it comes with a dual display just like the GoPro Hero 11. The worst thing is, you cannot use both displays at the same time. So you will have a 1.1-inch front display and a 1.7-inch main display, where you can see all the information. As for the waterproof resistance, it comes with an IPX8 rating, which lets you use it underwater up to 10 meters without the case. As for its camera setup, the Brave 8 is equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and quad-pixel technology, along with a 9-layer glass lens array. Plus, the Brave 8 allows you to record 4K videos at 60 FPS. Also, you can snap photos with a 48-megapixel camera. It even comes with an 8K time-lapse and Super 16x slow-mo features. So on paper, you can see it has so many noticeable features. But what about in real life? Let's test it out. Well, the Brave 8 can capture high-quality videos as well as images. But under bright sunlight, this action camera cannot produce accurate colors. It actually washed out the colors. It even blows out the skin tones and the highlights in some cases. However, the dynamic range on the Akaso Brave 8 isn't that bad. Also, you'll get a super view like the GoPro Hero 11. Even with a 48-megapixel camera, the Akaso Brave 8 is pretty disappointing. Anyway, at night, we would not recommend shooting with this action camera, because it is pretty much unusable in low light. In terms of stability, the Brave 8 is equipped with super smooth technology to deliver stable footage, but it doesn't provide the stability that we expected. If you're riding a cycle or bike off-road, stability isn't acceptable. Let's check the slow-mo. You can do 2.7K slow-mo with 120 FPS, which is not bad. The good thing is, you get 16 times slow-mo with 720p. Obviously, this will make the footage way slower than other action cameras, but the video quality, ARG, which you can see here. Battery life is one of the most challenging things in the action camera, and the battery life on the Akaso Brave 8 is as usual as other action cameras. It comes with 2 rechargeable 1550 mAh batteries, and each of them allows you to record 4K videos for up to 90 minutes. This is good because you can switch between batteries when one of them is on low power, so you will get better runtime on the Akaso Brave 8. As for the price, the Brave 8 will cost you $280, which includes all the essential accessories that you need with an action camera. In short, the Akaso Brave 8 is a decent action camera for its price. What we like most about the Akaso are its basic functionalities. On paper, this action camera has everything that we need, but it lacks quality. So we must say, the way Akaso is improving its action camera, maybe it will catch the quality of the GoPro in 2 or 3 years. So that's all from us. Please let us know what you think about the Akaso Brave 8 in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.